students, welcome back to online video classes, class 7. Okay, dear students, in previous video we started our supplementary reader book. Okay, An Alien Hand. Okay, we know that which book we started in previous video. So we've started first lesson from this book. That the lesson name is The Tiny Teacher. And in previous video we just introduced what is in that lesson, The Tiny Teacher. We discussed. Okay, so dear students, in today's video we are going to start the discussing or the explanation of this lesson line by line. So dear students, look at here, open your book here and see on page number first, The Tiny Teacher. Okay, here, though so very small, the ant is unbelievably intelligent and hardworking. That among the various kinds, the commonest ant is black or red. Ants live in comfortable home called ant hills. Okay, we know that the ant is very small creature. हमें पता है कि ant बहुत छोटी होती है, बहुत छोटा सा प्राणी कह सकते हैं हम उसे. Then the ant is unbelievably intelligent and hardworking. Okay, we know that, and we also discuss how ant can living on the earth. Because it's very tiny creature, but it's because of its intelligent and hardworking that it became very enormous or big according to their hardworking or intelligent. मतलब एक छोटा सा creature है लेकिन उसके hardworking से intelligence से वो बहुत बड़ा creature बन गया. ओके, कैसे? क्योंकि वो हमें पता है कि वो बड़े से बड़े एनिमल को भी मार सकता है. जब वो इकट्ठा हो जाते तो बड़े से बड़े हाथी को भी मार सकते हैं. Among the various kinds, the commonest ant is black or red. Okay, there are actually various kinds of ants. बहुत सारी तरह की ants होती है, but most commonly we can see only red and black ants in our surrounding. ज्यादातर हमें देखा है कि रेड कलर की और ब्लैक कलर की दो कलर की एंड्स हमने ज्यादातर देखी हुई. ओके, नाउ name the smallest insect you have seen and the wisest. Okay, have you seen that smallest insect? Have you seen? And it's also wisest or clever or intelligent. Yes, definitely that. We know that, but before that, is it the fly? No, it isn't. सबसे छोटा क्रिएचर, सबसे होशियार क्रिएचर वो कौन सा है? तुम बता सकते हो क्या? क्या वो फ्लाई है जो मक्खी होती है वो है? No, it isn't. वो नहीं. Is it the mosquito? क्या वो मॉस्किटो है, मच्छर है? No, not the mosquito. Then it must be the worm. तो ये दोनों भी नहीं थे. It must be worm. वो मतलब जो कीड़े मकोड़े होते हैं वो. No, none of these. Okay, from these, none of these is the intelligent or smallest insect. Then it is the ant, the commonest, the smallest, but the wisest insect. Okay, we know that the ant is the smallest, commonest and wisest insect. सबसे मतलब सभी सराउंडिंग में, सभी क्लाइमेट में, सभी टेम्परेचर और सभी तरह के क्लाइमेट में रहने वाला ये क्रिएचर है. सबसे छोटा होता है, सबसे होशियार होता है, हमने ये देखा है. Then the story of ants life sounds almost untrue. Okay, the story of ant is look very untrue. हमें जो स्टोरी पता है मतलब हमें अलग ही लगती है, मतलब वो सच कह ही नहीं सकते, उसके ऊपर हम बिलीव ही नहीं कर सकते. क्यों? Because but people have kept ants as pets and have watched their daily behavior closely. So we know a number of facts about this tiny, hardworking and intelligent creature. Okay, in everyone's home you can see the ants. आपके घर पर भी होगी. Like, but it's like our pets, like dog, cat, hen, the buffalo or cow. It's like ant is also like our pet animal. Every day we can see their behavior. Every day how they behave we can see closely. बहुत मतलब पास से उसे देख सकते हैं उनका behavior कैसा होता है. So we know that number of facts about its tiny this tiny creature, and it's hardworking, it's intelligent, everything we can see every day, how it take its food, how it work hard, then how it is so intelligent, because it it has no intelligence, then how they can bring their food, very big amount of food they bring. तो अगर वो इंटेलिजेंट नहीं होते तो इतना बड़ी मात्रा में अपना खाना कैसे उठा कर ले जाते? तो इस तरह से हम पता है कि वो बहुत इंटेलिजेंट है, वाइजेस्ट है, उसके बाद छोटी है, हार्ड वर्किंग. Then an ant uses its feeler or antenna to talk to other ants by passing messages through them. Okay, we know that every ant has its antennas. उनके जो छोटे छोटे एंटीनाज होते हैं उसे फिलर्स भी कहा जाता है. उनके सर के ऊपर I think you seen those antennas, and what they use these fillers or antennas to passing the messages and through them to pass the message to their family ants. उनके जो अदर्स ants होते हैं, उनकी जो फैमिली होती है, उनको मैसेज सेंड करने के लिए they use these fillers or antennas. Watch a row of ants moving up or down the wall. Okay, you see in your house also the row they make rows, वो लाइन बनाकर ही चलते हैं because of these antennas, moving antennas and or fillers. You can see on wall or someone somewhere in your garden, somewhere in your where in bottom of your house or everywhere you can see they walking in line, moving in line. Each ant greets all the others coming from the opposite different by touching their feelers. And if the ants coming through their opposite side, they touch their antenna or feelers, they knew that which direction should they go. मतलब जब कभी भी अपोजिट साइड से भी आते हैं तो उनके टच होने के बाद, एंटीना और फिलर्स टच होने के बाद उन्हें पता चलता है कि उन्हें कहाँ जाना है. ओके, now next page. There are many kinds of ants. The commonest among them are the black or red ones. Okay, we know that there are various kinds of ants, but mostly we can be found in our surrounding black or red ant. And we have seen them since we were children, but haven't paid enough attention to them. Okay, from childhood, our childhood, we seen this ants. हम छोटे थे तब से हम ants को देखते आए, but we actually didn't pay the attention, didn't pay the enough attention to them. उनकी तरफ हमने ज्यादा ध्यान नहीं दिया था when we were children. Where do they live? We don't know where do they live that time when we were children. In their comfortable homes called nest or ant hills. हमें पता ही नहीं था वो कहाँ रहते थे, लेकिन जब बड़े हो जाते हो हम हमें पता चलता है कि वो कहाँ पर रहते हैं. They live in nest or called ant hills. जहाँ पर वो रहते हैं उन्हें क्या कहा जाता है? Ant hill. Nest कहा जाता है, नहीं तो ant hills कहा जाता है. Each has hundreds of little rooms and passages. Okay, in their ant hills there are hundreds of rooms and passages. बहुत सारे तरह के rooms होते हैं, passages होते हैं, बहुत सारे. क्यों? वो आगे देखेंगे क्या क्या होता है उस passages में, उस रूम में. In some of these rooms the queen ant lays eggs. What some of the rooms the queen ant lays egg. कुछ जो rooms होते हैं उसमें ant क्या करती है, जो queen ant होती है वो उसके अंडे देती है. Then others are nurseries for the young ones called grubs. और कुछ जो होते हैं passages rooms वो नर्सरी छोटे बच्चों के लिए, जैसे हमारे छोटे बच्चों के लिए स्कूल में हम दाखिल करते थे उसे नर्सरी में डाला जाता है, तो उसी तरह there are nurseries in their ant hill, and what in their nurseries their young ones put in that nursery and also called that grubs. उन्हें जो छोटे बच्चे होते हैं उन्हें क्या कहा जाता है? grubs कहा जाता है. Then workers have their next page. Workers have their reserved quarters. Okay, and their workers also have their reserved quarters. और जो workers होते हैं उन्हें भी कुछ reserved quarters होते हैं, उन्हें रहने के लिए भी अलग जगह दी जाती है. They spend most of their time searching for food. And what is the work of these workers? Their work is to spend most of their time to search for food. What is their work? To search the food and bring the food. Some rooms serve as storehouses for this food, and from that ant hill there is also storehouses. Why there is the storehouses? There are storehouses because they store their food in those storehouses. और कुछ कुछ जो रूम होते हैं उसमें से वो स्टोर हाउसेस होते हैं. क्यों होते हैं? क्योंकि वहां पर वो जो अपना खाना है दे स्टोर देयर फूड इन द स्टोर हाउसेस. देन सोल्जर्स हैव सेपरेट बैग्स. देखो कुछ कितने पार्ट्स है, वर्कर्स है, ग्रब्स है, उसके बाद वर्कर के बाद सोल्जर्स भी. सोल्जर्स आल्सो हैव देयर सेपरेट बैग्स. उनके लिए भी सेपरेट बैरक होती है, उनके लिए सेपरेट रूम्स होती है. No worker has ever tried to live in soldier's house. No soldiers have ever gone out searching for food. Okay, the queen ant already distributed their work. No one can go in other houses, in other rooms. For example, here workers only do their work. They only bring or only search for food, and they never went to soldier's house. And soldiers also, the secretariat, they never went into the where into workers house and they never bring food. मतलब वर्कर का काम वर्कर ही करते हैं, सोल्जर का काम सोल्जर ही करते हैं. मतलब सोल्जर क्या करते हैं, उनका जो काम होता है वही करते हैं. वर्कर जो होते हैं कभी सोल्जर्स के रूम में नहीं जाते, सोल्जर्स कभी खाना लेने नहीं जाते. ये उनको जो काम डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दिया है वही काम अपना अपना वो काम करते रहते हैं. No workers or soldier or cleaner has ever harmed a grub. Okay, and also cleaners are there. And they never harm a grub. जो छोटे बच्चे उन्हें कोई तकलीफ नहीं पहुंचाता, कोई उन्हें तकलीफ नहीं देता. So you see, an ant's life is very peaceful. Each does its share of work intelligently and bravely, and never fights with other members of the group. Okay, we just see how the ants they distributed their works. No one can harm anyone, and they live peaceful life. And how they live peaceful life? We just discussed, because no one interfere in others life or others rooms. Yes, no worker or soldiers or cleaner harm the grub. Then no worker interfere in soldier, and no soldier will interfere in workers or cleaners, and that's why they live peaceful life. इस वजह से वो अपनी शांतता पूर्वक लाइफ जी रहे हैं. And we know that they also work intelligently. Worker works their work, cleaners and soldiers also did their work very bravely, very intelligently, and they never fight with each other in the family or the family group. वो एक दूसरे के साथ अपने फैमिली का जो ग्रुप होता है वो ग्रुप से अलग अलग किया गया है. जैसे वर्कर्स किया है, सोल्जर्स किया है, क्लीनर्स किया है, ग्रब्स किया है, लेकिन वो एक दूसरे के साथ कभी भी झगड़ा नहीं करते और अपना जो जीवन है, अपनी जो लाइफ है, they live in peaceful manner in their ant hill. So okay dear students, so this is the part 1 of this lesson. So dear students, today we stop here, and next video we will discuss the remaining part of the tiny teacher. Thank you very much.